Ghanaians in abroad angrily pour their mind to Nigerians living in Ghana, and likewise Nigerians that are spoiling the name of Africa. There's one thing I really want you guys to know, you Nigerians. See, whenever you enter somebody's country, make sure you respect the person's culture, you respect the people like individually, and also do what is right, because all you're doing will determine if you're going to stay longer in that very country or not. Your character determines who really you are. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. I just want to let you guys that I'm back in motherland Ghana, and I'm super excited to be back. I hope you guys are ready for me, because I'm going to be giving it to you. Like, I'm going to be coming up with series of videos, and of course my experience in Nigeria. I had a good and a bad experience. Yeah, on this channel I will tell you everything. You know how transparent I am, right? So be ready, okay? Stay tuned for that one. But as for today, I'm here with a different news, okay? So a Ghanaian angrily pour his mind, especially on Nigerians that are disgracing us in other countries, and especially in Ghana, guys. We are not the ones in Africa suffering it the more, but our own brothers and sisters abroad are the ones, because they don't see them as a Ghanaian, that's if they are from Ghana. They don't see them as a Kenyan if they are from Ghana. They see them as all black and they are from Africa. So let's hear from him. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Good morning, Delphina. How are you? Yeah, I want you to play this message to the Nigerians. This morning I heard from President Ramaphosa of South Africa saying that if you are undocumented, nobody should give you a job. And I know very well that this thing is going to affect a lot of Nigerians living in South Africa. You see, I want to make something very clear. Nobody hates Nigerians. Nigerians, the only problem we have with Nigerians, they have bad characters. They are very bad people. 98% of Nigerians are very bad people. Period. Because when you go to somebody's country, study the way they live and live according to their laws. Every country has laws. So when you leave your country and you go to somebody else's country, study their laws and live according to their laws, and nobody will hate you. Nobody will drive you out. Recently in London, when they wanted to drive people out, they left Ghanaians because there are things we don't do. There are things we don't do. Now, I don't know what to say, but Nigerians, if we keep saying, we keep talking to you, you won't listen. When we say anything, you come on social media to insult us. See, right now, it is you who are going to suffer. It is you. Because you want to go to people's country and live anyhow you want. You don't do that. You don't do that. The same thing you're doing in South Africa, the same thing you're doing in Ghana. How do you go to somebody's country and disrespect them and do all kinds of things and expect them to like you? This is impossible. Talk to Nigerians. There will be a time, trust me, we are going to give it to you woto in Ghana. I'm telling you. I'm not joking. You keep doing these things you did in South Africa, and we keep talking, you're not listening. I just heard you, a guy sent his message to you that they did something to a Bolt driver, 3 Nigerian guys. How? How do you come to somebody's country and you have that boldness to attack their people and expect them to like you? Tell me. How do you expect them to like you if you are disrespecting and attacking your host country? They won't like you. They won't like you, and this is the fact. This is the fact. Nigerians claim we have money, we have skills. People are jealous. Now Nigeria needs those monies. We don't need you to take your money out and go and develop other people's country. Take the money to your country and develop your country. Now, you Nigerians who are good people and you are living according to the laws of our country, We don't have problem with you. You can live there as long as you have everything that it takes to live in that country. But most of you will have to leave. I'm sorry. A lot of you will have to go back to Nigeria. Nigeria needs you. Go and fix the country. Thank you.
There's one thing I really want you guys to know, you Nigerians. See, whenever you enter somebody's country, make sure you respect the person's culture, you respect the people like individually, and also do what is right, because all you're doing will determine if you're going to stay longer in that very country or not, because your character determines who really you are. As you are out there, you as a Nigerian, your character, what you say, and the way you behave determines how your host country is going to take your own country to be. I know that we have already spoiled our name out there, that the whole world are rejecting us. But I bet you as that very one Nigerian living with a different in your host country is going to change their mindset, and they're going to know that not all Nigerians are the same, because we've already given them the reason that all Nigerians are bad. Yeah, because all the Nigerians they've been meeting are of the same character. Yes, they're having the same character. So you as that very one person, make sure you live with a different in your host country, and things are gonna be better. Yes, little and surely they're gonna believe that we are not the same. Like, not all Nigerians are like that. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. Not because of the noise that will make me not to come out and share this very video with you guys.
Hello, Delphina. I'm making this audio voice in response to one of your shows that I listened tonight. It's about a young man saying that Ghanaians should get out of ECOWAS. And another lady saying that when we leave, who do we leave Nigerians for? First of all, the only thing between us and Nigeria is the English language. We were all colonized by the British. And we happen to, all of us, come from Africa. The Nigerians and Ghanaians are not brothers. I've been saying we are not brothers and sisters. There is nothing common amongst us apart from the English language. If we can coexist, it will depend on Nigerians. If Ghanaians and Nigerians can coexist, it will depend on Nigerians. But as of now, I want that lady to understand that Nigeria is a different country. Ghana is a different country. The only thing between the two of us is the English language. That's it. They are not our brothers. They are not our sisters. So she should stop talking about who will take Nigeria. Nigeria is a big guy. They call themselves giant of Africa. They don't need us. We don't need them. So I agree with the gentleman. Ghana must get out of ECOWAS. We don't need it. It hasn't helped us in anything. It hasn't helped us in anything. I believe Mahama has been hearing all the nonsense that is going on, the killing and the kidnapping. He hears it, but he's 10 deaf ears. Because this is his last term of office. He's not going to be president again. So he doesn't care. He doesn't care. So we have to push our way. We need to get out of ECOWAS by hook or crook. And let me tell you, I want to be sure with you. All the politicians, all the other politicians have kept quiet when we're struggling with this thing going on between us and Nigeria about the killings and all that. All the politicians who want to be elected after NDC leaves office, after Muhammad leaves office, I believe that they will start coming out to come and lure Ghanaians. But we are wiser than what they are doing. The only person who had shown up for us is Asan Ayariga. And so, the youth, we are looking up to him. So don't worry at all. For the Nigerians who think that Mahama is going to be with them, you are worrying yourself. After his 4 years, he's out of office. He can't be president anymore. He already done his 4 years already. This is the second 4 years. He's done. He can't be president anymore. The person that we see that who can stand with us It's Asan Yariga. So be prepared for him. And trust me, we're going to get out of ECOWAS. We will get out of ECOWAS. We will make sure we get out of ECOWAS because it's not helping us. Never. It's not helping us. So Delphina, play this to that lady. This is my response to her. That Nigerians and Ghanaians are not siblings. The only common thing amongst us is the English language. That's it. We don't have the same culture. Culture is what defines us. We don't have the same culture. They believe that you have to kill people to do rituals and make money. We don't believe the same way. I'm not saying all of them that do that, but 99% of them have that mentality. Because that country, if you don't have money, nobody respects you. So they want to do anything to make money so that people will respect them. And that's what they are doing. It's part of their culture. That's how they live. That's their lifestyle. You know? So we don't live like that. So they shouldn't come and mix up another culture with ours. We love what we do. We love the way we are. We don't want any cultural mix. We don't need them. We don't need that. Period. If you're a Nigerian, you want to come and live in Ghana, make sure you obey our laws and keep your nose clean. Otherwise, we'll deal with you. If Mahama says he won't agree, he wants Nigerians to stay, what we're going to be doing is that when they kill any Ghanaian, we will match up with them. I tell you, we are going to stand up against them. It's going to be bloody. This is our country. We don't want that nonsense. We are warning you, and we keep telling you.
I want to draw Nigerians' ears. See, if you are in Nigeria and you are planning on coming to Ghana or other countries with bad character, I beg you, remove that cloth and keep it aside before coming. If not, that country, like all countries, are already ready for you. They are ready for you. They are ready to receive you because they already know who really you guys are. All eyes are going to be on you. So if you want to stay long and you want to enjoy that country that you are coming, please live right. Do the right thing and you're going to enjoy, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video with as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys. Bye-bye.